Having trouble coming up with content ideas as a creator or business owner? As a content creator, you are missing a huge opportunity to disseminate your content in a video format the most effective way. In fact, you can reuse your content, an article or write-up, or repurpose it to a professional video. In my last tutorial, I showed you how to create videos using templates or from scratch. With INVIDEO AI-based text-to-video editor, you can convert your script, article, or blog into videos in minutes. In today's episode, you will learn how to create text-to-video with INVIDEO. It is useful as an explainer video or product videos. Before I guide you on how to use INVIDEO, like this episode and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with actionable tutorials and guides to help you grow your small business. And if you are new to this channel, my name is Sophie H, and let's get started with this INVIDEO tutorial. So let's get started in creating your text to video. You can browse through the selection of templates and you can get started with the one that's best suited for you. For this example, I'm going to choose the fitness promo. You can also toggle between the sizes, landscape, square, or portrait. For this example, I'm going to choose the square template. So this will lead you to the first step in scripting. You can either copy-paste your text in this box over here, or you can just simply paste your article's URL so that it can transcribe your text and you can script your lines right here on INVIDEO. Next, you create scenes. Once done, you can move on to the storyboard section. This is where each line of your text will come to life in the form of a scene. You can edit scene, duplicate scene, or even delete scene. On the other tab, I can make changes to the scenes by clicking on the blocks. I can make changes to the text by clicking on the block and type in the necessary changes to the text. I can even increase the size or even the color of the text. If you like, you can even change the image to something else, and you can click replace and it will show a picture of a squirrel. Now it's time to bring each scene to life by adding some voiceovers. You can add a voiceover by clicking this tab over here and choose a selection automated text to speech, or record your own voice to generate the voiceover. For this example, I'm going to choose automated text to speech. Click on generated voiceover.
Each of these elements can be tricky to execute, and when they combine, it's easy for mistakes to happen.
Once you are satisfied with the voiceover, you can have the option to add automated voiceover for all scenes, or you can just select one of the scenes for the specific voiceover.
This is a seal resting on the beach. Each of these elements can be tricky to execute, and when they combine, it's easy for mistakes to happen, but your script will include details that make the process run smoothly. A video script is vital to help your team prepare for and organize the video making process. Plus, you and your team will be more confident and produce a better video with a comprehensive script.
Once you are done with your project, click on the export on the top right hand corner and choose the desired pixel for your video output and click export. The rendering process will take some time, so once the video rendering is ready, you will get a notification via email, or you can click download once it's complete. You can use the Play All Scenes button to preview your entire video at once.
Include details that make the process run smoothly.
You can easily share this video across all social media channels like Facebook, YouTube, or even Twitter. If any of this process seems a little too daunting, don't fret. You can reach out to the support executive via this chat window and they will attend to you within a minute. If you want to access and use INVIDEO with full features, as well as the use of stock photos, medias, and no watermark, upgrade now from as low as $15. And thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, activate that notification bell, and I'll see you next time.